Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through this brand new, wild and beautiful Happy Planner. It's a classic vertical layout planner, and it's part of the new back to school line from the Happy Planner. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. So the Happy Planner has a new back to school release. It is happening on Tuesday, May 3rd. I keep messing this up. Tuesday, May 3rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And there's a whole bunch of new cute stuff. If you're not a teacher or student, there's still cute stuff. So you can check out my unboxing video where I show you different things. I also have all those videos out right now with all the flip throughs of the products that I received. So thank you for watching. And I do have an affiliate link. I'd appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link because it's a lot of work to make these videos and show you guys everything. So it really does help. So you just click the link and then shop like normal. It's no problem for you at all. I promise, as long as you remember to use it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's get started on this flip through. So I have my light turned off so that there's no glare right now. This is a 12-month, like I said. It's a classic size Happy Planner vertical layout. It runs from August 2022 to July 2023, which is the academic year. And let's show you the whole cover. So we have some like gold foil on these flowers here. It's super pretty. It's like, it's almost like brass kind of, it's orangey gold, right? And it's like matte. It's real pretty. And that's like foil as well. We have plastic black discs, which look good with any spread. I always like the black or the white discs with my spreads because they'll always match. Okay, let's check this out. Now I can turn on my light. Sorry, I think I've been glaring you out for years. Of course, you're gonna see glare here, but I'm trying not to do that. We've got stripes, very minimal front back cover. This talks about the vertical layout. Hello, this Happy Planner belongs to moi. Really pretty. Here's your 2022-2023 calendar pages and your year at a glance pages. These have like this really pretty delicate floral, I'm sorry for my voice cracking, floral pattern in the middle. That's really cool. And then, ooh, something new. I've been flipping through some of these planners and they've all been plain on the currently page, but this is a little sweet surprise. So we have these floral line drawings here on the currently page. That's kind of cool. It looks good with this, doesn't it? It's like flowing. Grow your own way. You can use currently pages if you're new to Happy Planner for anything. You use it for memory planning, for what you're currently doing. You can use it for goals, priorities. You can use it for plans for the month. You can use it for, you could just draw a big picture there, stick a bunch of stickers on it. You know what I mean? Track your income, do what you want on there. It's for you to do what you want. Ooh, look at this. This is interesting. I'm not sure I've ever seen a monthly view like this before. Have you? This is cool. I like it. So usually it's like white around it, but we have like these white flowers in the middle with the black. Ooh, it reminds me of that new black paper notebook that they came out with. It's very moody and cool. I'm digging that a lot. Here's what your weekly page looks like. So this is a little more decorative of a planner. If you're someone who doesn't like that, there are other options for you as well. So I think they're trying to give people, you know, everybody kind of something, you know. So if you're somebody who doesn't decorate a lot and loves these flowers at the bottom, it's perfect. I actually really do love those flowers at the bottom. You could also cover that up on a week that you're feeling especially sassy and want to put like some flower stickers down there yourself or something else. You could do that. And then we have this like little line art drawing up there by August. I think this is really cute. So all the week pages are going to be the same. And then the currently pages are going to be the same, except for like the little holidays down here. They're going to change, but I'm not going to show you all that because it's all going to be pretty much the same. I'll check out September though. So we have Bloom. That's really pretty. Oh wait, September's different. Aha, Pappy Planner, I see what you're doing. You're messing me up. You're giving me a challenge for these flip throughs. So the flowers are at the top for this month. I like that. And then that little flower is at the bottom. Okay. That's really pretty. I like it better at the top, don't you? I don't know. Anyway, I bet they'll flip back and forth between top and bottom, but maybe they'll surprise me. I don't know. Let's see. So these are all going to be the same for September. The currently page is the same. Wild and Beautiful. Let's see what they did for October. I think it's going to be at the bottom. Yeah. So we're going to alternate those. Belle Fleurs. So this is very sophisticated and very kind of fancy. I will fill my life with flowers. It's very delicate. Today's a new beginning. We have some foiling in there. Joy is the beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. These are so pretty. I could totally cut those out and use them places. I must have flowers always and always. You can tell that to my fiance. Growth is a process. Oh yes, I know that. Think, reflect, discover, create, grow, and let's root for each other and watch each other grow. Let's see what's on the back page. A little note section, and then plan a happy life. I love that like the covers are simple on the back because the rest is kind of decorative, you know? And then, oh, that's what the back cover looks like. That's really pretty. That actually is a really pretty planner. It surprised me. I didn't expect to like it as much as I did. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, don't forget about the release, the affiliate links, all of that. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.